Hi, I thought other people might be interested in modifying their FatShark Scout like I did to use a RapidFire module. First of all, you just need to 3D print a holder. I basically modified a design that someone else had done for a Sky Zone goggle to use the Sky Zone module cover for the RapidFire. And I printed that on my Prusa, and that's up on Thingiverse if you look for it. And then I grabbed an aux port connector. These are connectors that I found on eBay for a Pixhawk 2. They're 3-pin GH 1.25 connectors. But they're 3-pin connectors. The pin is just a little wrong. You just got to swap pins 2 and 3 to get the color codes right if you want. Because pin 1 is +5, pin 2 is ground, and pin 3 is video on the FatShark modules. So if you want to those to line up, on the aux port for the FatShark. So if you want those to line up, you just got to swap those pins. To connect it, basically all I did is ran the 3 pins from the aux connector through the hole in my 3D printed holder, and then you can just connect them up to the module. The 5-volt pin goes on the lowest pin if you're holding your module like this. The ground pin goes on pin 3, and the video pin goes on pin 6. If you wanted to, you could get a little better connector and key it, but I didn't bother. And then you can just tuck in your wires to take up some of the slack, and then snap the module in. Once you snap it in, I just use some Velcro, basically put some Velcro on the holder and some Velcro on my goggles. You can put it on the goggles, plug in the aux connector, and you should be good to go. Yep, all set. Now to use the module, you basically just have to go into your goggles and set the source to aux, and it works good. It's a lot better than the built-in receiver on the FatShark. I've been very happy with the results. I've used both stubby antennas and a combination of a patch antenna with an Omni, and both work well. I like using just a pair of stubbies for flying around the yard, but the patch is great for a little more distance. But really greatly increased the versatility and the range of the goggles, and they're not too bad to wear. Power works okay. I've got a 34 milliamp hour, 18650 in there, and it'll go for a couple hours that way. So it works pretty well. Again, it ends up I think it looks okay. I'm not too hacky, and it works real well. See you later. Pretty simple to do.